Hello traders, in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the Zen Flow 2, a gold trading expert advisor that's been getting a lot of attention lately, especially on MT4 and the various EA shops that we sell it. In this video, I'll walk you through what the developer actually claims, how the strategy is supposed to work, the features they're marketing, and then I'll compare that to my own backtest results and give you a realistic verdict on who this EA is really for and who should probably stay away. So if you've been hunting for a set and forget gold robots that promises big returns with low drawdown, Zen Flow 2 is probably already on your radar. It's sold as a high precision trend following EA for XAUUSD. It goes for $399, as you can see, with verified backtests over multiple years and some pretty aggressive profit numbers from a relatively small starting balance. The question is how much of that is solid system design and how much is just impressive marketing. So let's take a look at the strategy as per the developer. All right, so according to the official description, Zen Flow 2 is an advanced EA designed to adapt to changing market trends with precision and speed. As you can see, it's written over here, highlighted. All right, and it's optimized specifically for XAUUSD or gold, as you can see here, on the M15 time frame. That's the 15-minute time frame. As you can see down here. The developer is very clear. You're meant to attach it to just one chart, one symbol, XAUUSD, and let it trade automatically in that environment. All right, they describe the core approach as a trend following strategy that uses a momentum based indicator to find out what they call optimal entry points while filtering out fake or false signals. All right, the dev also talks about built-in risk management with dynamic lot sizing. So position size adapts to account balance and in some descriptions to your preferred drawdown levels. So from the developer's own words, the story is code only on M15, trend plus momentum logic, no greed, no martingale, and no high risk strategies, tight risk controls, and extremely strong growth in the backtest. All right. So that constitutes of the features. You can see quick and easy setup, no grid, no martingale, compatible with all brokers and prop trading firms, automatically adapts to market conditions for optimal performance. And you can see trading stop loss and take profit features for securing gains. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the developers' backtest results, what they claim. So according to this, you can see the equity curve for 3 years from 2023 to 2025. And you can see this actually looks good. You can see the equity curve goes kind of straight up, signaling good profits over the period from 2023 to 2025. But we're going to test that out with my personal backtest and see if it actually holds up this way. Okay, so for the initial deposits of $10,000 over the period, we had a total net profits of $6,419,752, while the gross profit was $9,498,114. The profit factor was 3.09, while the recovery factor was 42.92. Total trades taken were 1,632 trades, and the balance drawdown was just 3.16%. All right. So you can see some of the settings the developer uses. As you can see, the symbol XAUUSD, lot calculation method, auto VIX, fixed lots. You can also see settings like trailing stop method, p values, and the rest of that. ATR period for trailing. All right, so quickly let's check this out. Let's see how it holds up in my own backtest. Now I had the privilege of testing out this EA over the period of 1 year from April 1st, 2025 to April 1st, 2026. As you can see, our symbol is XAUUSD as recommended and on the M15 time frame. Our initial deposit one was $10,000. Sorry, and let's take a look at the results for this setup over the 1 year period. Right, so as you can see, the initial deposit, as I previously said, was $10,000, and the total net profit for the year or for the period was $3,818. The gross profit was $6,000, um, and the gross loss was $2,182. The profit factor is 2 or was 2.75, and the balance drawdown was just 3.08%. Okay, let's take a look at the equity curve. So as you can see, it doesn't move up as sharply as we had in the developers page, but it actually has some quite nice movements to the upper side. As you can see, this kind of looks like a 45-degree line. So it shows pretty nice or pretty decent gains over the 1 year period. So it kind of holds up to what the developer says on the page. But over this particular period, it doesn't look like that very sharp upward curve that we had on the developer's page. But it looks pretty decent to me. You can see an example of the trade it takes on the charts, where it took a sell here and then it closed the trade over here in a profit of $8.23. All right, so that's basically it for the back test. So let's go back to the developers page. All right, so what's the final verdict? Zen Flow 2 is not some random martingale scam, but the underlying idea is a legitimate trend following momentum filter strategy on XAUUSD M15, and the backtests do reflect that. But the promotional material definitely leans into the best case scenario. Small starting capital going into huge balances with tiny drawdown. In the real world, if you use sensible risks, you should expect more modest returns and deeper drawdowns than what the screenshots suggest. Alright, so who is this EA actually for? It's for traders who already understand how volatile gold is, who are comfortable with trend systems, and who are willing to run conservative risks and treat those big backtest numbers as marketing, not a promise. Who should probably avoid it? If you're brand new, if you expect fire and forget income, or if you want to replicate that multi-million equity curve quickly, this is likely to disappoint you, or worse, push you into over leveraging and failing a challenge or blowing a small live account. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button so more traders can see a realistic view of these EAs, not just the marketing. Subscribe to the channel if you want more deep dive reviews like this, and drop a comment below telling me which EA you'd like me to test next. And don't forget, you can grab that free MT4 and MT5 free robots with built-in indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description. It's a great way to experiment and learn without risking money on expensive bots right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.